Good morning, Mr. Mabbutt here. A lot of you did really well with the maths yesterday. So what I'm going to do this morning is put for you a challenge on here. Carry on our work with greater than, less than, and equal to. So what I'm going to do is you will have a go at sorting some statements about numbers. Some of them are true and some of them are made up. And what I would like you to do is sort them into true or false. Okay, so I'm just going to share my screen with you now and have a look. So what you'll find is you've got a true or false chart like this. Now, you might not be able to print the one off that's that I've put on Dojo, but what you might want to do is you might want to draw your own at home and just give yourself a tick and a cross there to symbolize the true and the false. Okay, then what you have to do is you've got some statements about numbers, and what I want you to do is I want you to sort them into those that are true and those that are false. So for example, the first one, 4 is greater than 2. So remember, when you're looking at reading these statements, to check with your crocodiles as well. Remember, the crocodile mouth really helps you to remember which way around that those symbols should be going, and it also helps if you can recognize them as well. So we've got 4 is greater than 2. Is that going to be true or false? It should be. You're right, it should be going into the true, because 4 is a larger amount than 2. It's further on our number track and our number lines and number squares as well. So the next one is 10 is less than 1. So 10 is less than 1. That's right, that should be going to the false side, because we know that's not actually true, is it? 10 is actually greater than 1, so that symbol's wrong. Here we've got 1. The next one, which is got the equal sign there, or equal to. So 14 is the same as 10 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. So really you need to count on, 10 in your head, counting your fingers, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Yes, you're right, that is true. So that goes into the true side. Then we've got 18 is the same as 10 add 8. So checking that, you could be using your apparatus, concrete items at home, or you could be counting on, put that 10 in your head, count that 8 in your fingers, and count on with me. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So 10, 18 is the same as 18. That is true. Now this one's a bit trickier, because you've got 3 numbers. So you've got here 10 is greater than 9, 9 is less than 11. It's a tricky one there, but really again, look at those symbols and look, is the biggest number being consumed to be eaten? It is, so that's true. And the last one, 2 lots of 10 is the same as 20. So 10 and 10, or 10 add 10, 2 lots of 10. And if you know your 10, you can count in 10s, 10, 20 is correct as well. So not many false ones there, but in the pack I've put a few tricky ones for you to have a look at. So what I would like you to do this morning then is to sort those statements into those that are true, those that are false. And if you want a further challenge, you can have a go at making up some of your own and testing somebody at home as well. Thank you for watching.